You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
What's going on, guys? Let's get right to business. First, please give me a big thumbs up. That really helps the channel out. And also, with the way that YouTube works, it helps a lot of people find the channel. Second, if you're just cruising by and you're checking it out because you're here to check out to see the Bowflex Max Trainer, you're in the right place. Let me ask you a favor. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you know every time I upload. And for all you new guys all checking out the Bowflex Max Trainer, you don't have to go anywhere. It's right down in the descriptions. I leave two different links for Bowflex for you. The first link will take you right to their page and give you a list of all their stuff that they have. Then it's just between you and Bowflex. The second listing I'm giving you makes it super easy. Since you're here checking out the Bowflex Max Trainer, I leave a link to take you right to the Bowflex Max Trainer. It doesn't get much easier than that. So, if you don't mind, the way that you can help support the channel and keep this thing going is go right onto that page and go right to Bowflex. It's as simple as that, guys. Today, we will be doing the 14-minute interval training in just a moment. We have a brand new subscriber to the channel, Kelly Ford. Kelly has had their new Bowflex Max Trainer. Hopefully there's more than just one person in the house, but Kelly's the only one that wrote the letter to me. So, they want to know different hand positions for me to explain how the body's working while they're doing the workout. Today's a 14-minute interval training, okay? All my people who've been here already, they already know what to expect. It's one heck of a ride on this thing. I know you're used to seeing the commercials and all, and hopefully 200 calories. We blow that out of the water here. So, but Kelly, the next one that I'm going to do for you is going to be specifically for you and anybody else who's a beginner. And we're going to do a drill that I like to do on manual. If you've been here, you're familiar with it. So, expect that one. I cut down to 3 days a week right now because it's summertime and a lot of people are busy. So 3 days a week. So I'm trying to do Monday, Tuesday, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then on the weekend I throw some stuff in there. So Wednesday, expect that one, especially for you. And guys, if anyone has any questions about my workout, what I do, you have something that you don't know what's happening with the machine, the way it works you out, drop a question. I will answer it just like this. So, that's enough of that gabbing. If you did not warm up, hit the pause button and warm up. If you don't have your drink of water, get your drink of water. With that being said, I hope you're ready. All right, I'm hesitating. I'm just giving you a few extra minutes here. All right? So, with the 14-minute interval training, we only have to hit the big max button. Let me get my machine powered up. Guys, if you have an alternative heart monitor, now is the time to set that. Let me find it. I use the iPhone Watch. Unfortunately, they only have elliptical on there. It's ready to go. I have a heart monitor on my chest because my M7 offers it through the console. Okay. Get your drink of water. Are you ready? Remember, guys, it's going to go right into the first sprint. 3, 2, 1. Hit that max button. I'm going to work out on 12. Remember, your sprints are 25 seconds. Ten seconds left. 2, 1. There we go. "14-minute has 8 intervals. 25 seconds on the sprint. 80 seconds on the pace. Total of 14 minutes of torture. If you are new to the channel, take your time. You try to get at least 300 calories or more. You got to be above 20 RPMs. "25 seconds. "15 seconds. Round 2. Two, 1, juice it up. Come on. Get them arms to help the legs. "10 seconds. Bring it down. I'm on a resistance of 12. It's hard. It's hard to talk to you guys. Just get my deep breaths and recover, that's all. Don't get excited. Relax. 30 seconds still. Plenty of time. Seconds. 5 seconds coming up. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Come on. Push, pull with the arms. You gotta help them legs. 10 seconds. 3. Bring it down. Good. Relax. Go as slow as you have to on the recovery. Okay? I'd rather you drop almost all the way down and just get a good sprint. That's better than quitting. Because on this channel, quitting is not an option. 30 seconds. When you quit, you have to live with it. And that's the worst feeling in the world. So I encourage everybody not to quit. 10 seconds. Round 4 coming up. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Keep it moving. 10 seconds. 5. There we go. Bring it back down. tiring, huh? It's good though. You had a bad Monday? Take all your frustrations out. Right here with me. This is the end of the day for you. You won't go to bed mad. "30 seconds. Keep breathing. Nice and steady. Don't pant like a dog. It doesn't do anything for you. 10 seconds. Round 5. 2, 1. Take it up. Seconds. Good. I'm actually behind a little bit on my goal for my calorie. No worries. Each day is a new day, a new workout. Numbers don't mean nothing. As long as we know we did 100%. 25 seconds. Round 6 coming up. Three, 2, 1. Juice up. Keep going. 10 seconds. Rain down. There you go. 2 rounds left. Nice deep breath. The oxygen way in there. Seconds. Round 7. Almost done. Five seconds. 1. Juice it up. Come on. You got this. 15. 10. 5. 4. There you go. Keep it moving. Joe's way to quit. Still 60 seconds. Recovery time. My grandchildren are going to be coming in. I can hear them. Hey guys, I'm still recording. "30 seconds, guys." That's why I work out. I'm young ones, so I can keep up with them. 15 seconds. Last interval. 10. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Juice it up. You can't sprint. Keep pacing. Don't quit. Keep it moving. 10 seconds. 5. 'Kay. We just got to get to the finish line now. Now's the time. Get them extra calories that you need to get. I have less than a minute. Still need 25 calories. I don't see it happening. It's alright. We'll try it though. Just keep pushing. Seconds. Still 10 calories. 20 seconds left. 5 left. 2 left. I don't know. 400. And that's it. Not my best, but we got 400. That's all that matters. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.